I'm Taylor Loren. I'm the head of content marketing at later.com, which is the #1 Instagram marketing platform. So you can plan out your feed, schedule your posts, check your analytics, all that fun stuff. So excited to be here in New York today with PicMonkey. Scheduling your content not only helps you save time, which everyone wants more of, but it also helps you perform better because you're able to sit down and strategically plan out like a week of content all at once. So you can be more strategic with what your feed visually looks like. You can write your captions from a computer and add in really great calls to actions and really research your hashtags. And it only takes about 30 minutes to plan an entire week of Instagram content. And you can schedule stories now too. So you gotta get on it. Your stories are still just as important as your feed content. There's a big shift happening right now, and a lot of people are, watching stories more than they are scrolling the feed. So if you're only posting to your feed, then you're losing potentially a whole group of your audience who would instead consume your content through stories. Instagram saves have been around for a while, but since Instagram has been removing likes in different countries, including where I'm from, Canada, saves are becoming a more realistic engagement metric because as likes go away, people are anticipating that people in other countries will potentially stop liking content as much, but brands and influencers, they still want a metric to know whether this is high quality content or not. And so I think, and I agree with the fact that saves are an awesome engagement metric because if someone loves your content so much that they're hitting save because they want to come back to it, that's a really, really good measure for your brand. So you only get one link in your Instagram bio, and if you're a business that has under 10,000 followers, this is the only way that you can drive traffic from Instagram. The other way is doing swipe up links in Instagram stories if you have over 10K. So what Link in Bio by Later does is it turns that one link in your bio into basically an Instagram landing page that replicates your feed. So if you're selling, this jacket on your Instagram feed, instead of having the link just go to your website and people having to search everywhere for a jacket, you can link an Instagram post about this jacket right to the product page where the jacket is sold. So it just makes it a lot easier for your followers to find exactly what they're looking for, and it's driving a ton of traffic. Link in Bio by Later, since we released it about 2.5 years ago, it's already driven over 200 million page views from Instagram for businesses. And the best part is that Link in Bio is now free, so anybody can be taking advantage of this tool. Branding and graphic design, especially when it comes to Instagram, is extremely important. The role of a social media manager is really turning away from the text-based scheduling and text-based posts of Twitter and Facebook, and now with Instagram being so visual, like not only with just photos, but also with videos and GIFs and stories, it's all visual. And so the social media manager now, basically the best social media managers are ones who have a lot of design talent. But the good news is that you don't have to go to graphic design school in order to be successful as a social media manager or as a small business who's running their own company. Tools like PicMonkey are there to help and make it really easy, and using templates is an awesome option to start from.